like stuff like this. Oh, what's up? you guys are here. Didn't see you there. I'm just having a chat at this one. What's up? Remember me? I'm Peter the Gentleman Levissi, and this is
Jay.
Jay. She says Jay, but her name is actually Joaquina. Can you guys say that with me? Joaquina.
I'm sure you guys can.
Cool. She says you can't. The drink we're going to be making for you guys today is the herbs of a mountain.
The fucking herbs of the mountain.
The of the mountain. That's what she said. You're gonna need the good stuff. Floating. If it's white and it's rum, you're beautiful. Highball's beautiful. One drink all the way, you can't say more. Right?
And one for me?
Guess she wants one too. Let's start this drink with a nice 50 ml of our rum. We're gonna go 50 or must I go? Let's actually go 40.
We are gonna go with around 30 ml of this per drink.
So Jay made this shrub, and like again, it's like, you know when you go to the store and you buy Oros? Why go to the store and buy Oros? If you have a neighbor, steal some of their greens, put it in a jar, get a bit of sugar, get a bit of vinegar, let it sit, and then guess what? It's a shrub, baby!
Surprise!
But to finish it off, and the nice thing about a shrub, and like one thing that I love about a shrub, that it just allows to like accentuate whatever you adding to it, you know. So like with your spirit, it's adding those flavors of the spirit, and it's actually making it go further. It's Peter and Jay.
It's
you know what we do. Ha! Trust games, right?
Fuck
And that's so now we got that in there. Just gonna actually top it up with our soda. Boom. Top both of them up with our soda. And look at that. One gives you two. There's still a bit more, so you can taste it. How does it taste? Huh? Finish it off with the lovely, what is that? Waka pokos that we put in the box, right?
We stole it from the neighbor as well.
That's it. And the nice thing about the wild rosemary is that it's not as pungent as a garden rosemary, so it has a nice subtle nose to it. Just brings it up a bit more and just has a nice little hue around it. Then I also feel that since we do have our greens, and now let's add a bit of the citruses, right? And you got your citruses in your bag, in your mixed fruit bag. So let's get a citrus. I'm gonna put some lime there for you. Let me get an orange for me. And that's it, guys.
I prefer the lime. I think we should cheer.
Happy days.
Happy
if you guys
days.
are floating, find a Dutchman.